Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster QuickClean Cordless Handheld Vacuum. If you're tired of lugging around a heavy vacuum cleaner or struggling to reach tight spaces, this handheld vacuum is the solution you've been looking for. It's perfect for multi-surface use, so whether you're tackling carpets, car interiors, furniture, or high-traffic areas, this vacuum has got you covered. With strong suction power, it removes hair, dirt, and debris with ease, leaving your surfaces looking spotless. One of the best things about this handheld vacuum is its lightweight and portable design, making it easy to carry and maneuver, even in tight spaces. And with a quick charge time of just 10 hours, you'll be ready to take on any cleaning task in no time. The built-in crevice tool allows you to access hard-to-reach areas, and the Easy View dirt bowl makes it simple to see when it's time to empty the vacuum. Plus, the washable dirt bowl and filter mean you can clean up any mess without worrying about replacing disposable items. And the best part? It's cordless, powered by a lithium-ion battery, so you can take on larger cleaning jobs without being tied down by a cord. When you're done, simply store and charge the vacuum with the included wall mount for added convenience. So, if you're ready to make cleaning easier and more efficient, be sure to check out the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster QuickClean Cordless Handheld Vacuum. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more product reviews and cleaning tips. Thanks for watching.